What is going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over AMC and GameStop stock and why I believe something massive is about to happen. But before I do get into why I believe that, if you guys have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. So today AMC closed up 5%, almost 6% at $3.50, over 18 million shares traded. And in the last 10 minutes of trading, AMC went from $3.37 all the way to $3.55. There was just this large spike in volume, over 5.5 million shares traded in the last 30 minutes of trading. So that's freaking huge to see. There were some large buy orders sending AMC freaking higher, and it did break out of this descending channel that it has been in ever since the dilution back here on December 5th. You know, the day that Roaring Kitty posted the time you cover, it has been going down ever since then, and we have finally had a clear breakout. We have all these bullish indicators, and the daily RSI has literally went from 30 all the way to 52, which is where it is at right now. That is absolutely huge to see. The RSI is jumping up on the weekly. It's still, pretty low, but it also jumped from like 29 to 38. So it was definitely oversold for a minute there. Now AMC is climbing up, and it looks like we do got 3 white soldiers here, which is a freaking extremely bullish pattern. I believe AMC will continue going green for the next couple of days. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but I mean, it is just looking really juicy for AMC, especially with GameStop. It was down. It was red today once again. Only 4 million shares traded, down 2% at $25.99. As soon as after hours trading hit, some crazy movement just like yesterday, but it's still looking extremely bullish. It also broke out just like AMC, this descending channel that it's been in for a while now. And if GameStop does go back to around $27 tomorrow, you should expect AMC to rise some more. I did call out Tesla yesterday on my channel. Today it was up 2.5%, and it's up another 1% in after hours. So from 328, now it's back at 340, and I believe it's going to go back to $400 from here. That is just my opinion. So a stock to keep your eyes on is HYMC. It was up 12% today. Just a couple of days ago, it was trading at $2. Now it's almost at $3. Hit a high of $2.96 today. And AMC owns 22% of this company. It is a mining company. It mines gold, silver, all that stuff, all the precious metals. AMC owns 22% of it. So every time that this goes up, it is really good for AMC. This guy said, breaking, Citigroup adds 61,000 GameStop shares, bringing their total to over $3 million. The Central Bank of Norway also added 64,000 GameStop shares as well, now totaling over $2 million. So all these institutions keep buying GameStop, and it is obviously because they do know something big is coming. I mean, we really don't have any major announcements from GameStop. Nothing came out. The only thing that really made GameStop go up 10% on Monday was that Ryan Cohen post. He posted with Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, and it looks like, GameStop, Ryan Cohen is definitely looking into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and AI. I believe Ryan Cohen is looking over all of it, and I believe it's not long before we get a major announcement for this stock, for this company. So yesterday, GameStop went up to like $27.69, right when overnight trading hit. Today it went to $24.69, right when overnight trading hit, down 5% today. So it just keeps going to the 69 number. Pretty classic. I don't know. It just feels like, something big is coming. The volume is too low for GameStop. There's only 4 million shares traded. And like I always tell you guys, the biggest reversals happen on low volume. It could happen any freaking day. This guy said HYMC 13% on the day. Largest silver reserve in the USA. AMC owns 22%. Adam Aaron is sending a message. Get packing hedge funds. And we just got this classic ape with Adam Aaron's face on it. Kind of disturbing, in my opinion. That looks kind of disturbing. Let's just go to the next one. Jeez. This guy said, AMC, when this stock goes from $3 to $140, don't say I didn't warn you. small caps are more undervalued, shorted, and naked shorted than they have been in 40 damn years. So this article says, according to recent market analysis, small cap stocks are currently considered to be among the most undervalued they have been in the past 40 years, with the Russell 2000 index significantly lagging behind the Russell 1000, indicating a large disparity in valuation between small and large cap companies. This trend is attributed to factors like recent market volatility and large cap dominance in recent bull runs. So, this last bull run we had for GameStop from $10 all the way to $80, AMC only got a little taste of it. Obviously, it still had a decent move from $3 to $13, but it just got wiped out instantly back to $5. Now we're back to $3. We even hit a low of $2.95 after that gap up to $13. And I believe a bigger gap up is coming sooner rather than later. The volume is picking up for AMC. 18 million shares traded. That's pretty solid. Not the, largest numbers. We were seeing like 100 million volume days back here. It was absolutely insane. But for GameStop, the volume has literally died out. 4 million shares traded. It's been pretty low this past month, the beginning of 2025. Started off pretty bad. Pretty bad for GameStop and AMC. We've been in this downtrend, but over the past 3 days, GameStop and AMC have broken out of that downtrend that they've been in, and I believe we are entering another little bull run that can last for who knows how long. We are going into March, and I believe it is going to be freaking crazy. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. AMC with another 5% day, back to $3.50. It literally happened like in the last 10 minutes of trading. Over 5 million shares traded for AMC. Jumped up from like 330 to 350. Pretty crazy moves. And tomorrow is going to be really interesting to see what happens with AMC stock. Obviously with GameStop, I feel like we are on the verge of a huge announcement. Ryan Cohen hasn't really said anything. He just posted that picture of Michael Saylor. So you can only imagine what is going to happen to the stock when Ryan Cohen does announce what he did with the $4.6 billion of cash. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buy the dip, here we go.